Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and welcome to another Airsoft and Airgun vlogging. By the way, shout out kay Sir Jomar. Okay? So yung ating i-review ngayon is the model M9A3 Beretta by Umarex. So this is fully licensed by Beretta Italy. Okay, as you can see. So meron siyang markings dito. By the way, bago natin yan tatakel, so, tingnan muna natin yung mga kasama sa package at ito yung kanyang box. Yan, Beretta. Yan yung model. Umarex brand. Okay. So, ito yung mga kasama. Meron siyang kasamang Umarex Safety and Maintenance Manual tsaka yung Instruction Manual. Yan, Beretta M9A3 Airgun Pistol. And then, also comes with silver coated steel ball. This is 4.5mm in diameter. Ayan. So, bulitas talaga siya. Dumidikit po yung magnet dyan. Okay. And also comes with Allen. And also comes with the silicone oil. At yung order ni sir na 10 pirasong CO2. Ayan po, 10 pirasong CO2 and yung free niya na 5 pieces. So, bali, 15 pieces po yung ma-receive ni sir. Okay, 15 pieces na CO2. Ayan, so this is M9A3 Airgun Pistol. Ayan. So, ito yung markings. Ayan. So, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Ayan yung sight, tritium sight na naka white dot, 3 dots. Ayan. So, release muna natin yung magazine. Ayan. Okay. Safety. Ayan yung safety. Okay. Okay. Ayan. And then, meron siyang markings ng Beretta sa grip. Sa ilalim ng trigger. Ayan. Ito naman sa kabilang kabilang slide. Kabilang side. Ayan, yung serial number. Ayan. So, bali meron siyang extension. Ayan. May thread siya, so pwede mo siyang lagyan ng suppressor or silencer. Ayan. Okay. Yan. M9A3 Airgun Pistol. So, steel ball. Bali, ito yung kanyang magazine. Yan. So, niloadan ko na siya ng CO2, sir. So, sa paglo-load naman ng CO2, actually, madali lang eh. Tanggalin nyo lang yung cap. Load nyo yung CO2. Load yung CO2. But before kayo maglagay ng CO2, lagyan nyo po siya ng oil. Yung pinaka-tip ng CO2, lagyan siya CO2. Tsaka siya lo-load. Okay? Then, higpitan nyo. Okay? So, pwede nating higpitan natin yung valve. Ayan. Okay. And then, sa paglo-load naman ng bala, ito lang. Ayan, pwede mo siyang isagad sa dulo. Tapos, dito nyo siya ilo-load. Tapos may additional pala si sir na 1,500 pieces na steel ball. Okay, 1,500 pieces na steel ball. Okay, so ayan lang. So itong CO2, more or less 60 shots po bago maubos. Okay? Again, this is the Beretta model M983 airgun pistol by Umarex. Ayan. Kabilaan po yung markings niya. Ayan. Beretta. Ganda. At ang bigat niya. So, timbangin nga natin kung nasa ilang kilo yan. Okay. Ang timbangan. Ayan. Okay, tingnan natin kung ilang kilo tong Beretta. Okay, kita ba? Ayan. Okay, check natin ha. Okay, 1.15. Okay, 1.15. Okay, so testing tayo, Sir Jomar. Mabigat siya, no? Mahigit 1 kilo. Okay, testing. Firing. Okay. So, open slide kapag wala na siyang bala. Release magazine. Tapos, hatakin nyo lang yung slide. Then, release. Hammer down. Okay. Sir Jomar, again, this is the M983 Beretta by Umarex airgun pistol.